Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to enable developer tab in Excel. Okay, so this is very easy step. Let me see how we can do it over here. Actually I am using Windows 10. Okay, from here you can check the menu. It is not available like developer, right? Until view only available, so we need to enable developer tab. Once you are clicking in the table, it will not visible. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click over there in the right click, not from the table, in the menu bar. Okay, from the menu bar you can click it. Example, I'm clicking right click in the table, it is not opening, right? So you can go there in the menu bar, you can click right and customize the ribbon. Okay, you can click it. Once you are clicking this customize ribbon, one pop-up window it will be open. In that window it will be disable. Okay, from there you have to enable. That is what we are going to do. Now I am clicking, see over here under developer tab it is disable. See, okay, now I am enabling over here. Just you can tick and give us okay. Now you can see under the menu bar it is open for the developer. This is a way you can open the developer tab under your Excel. I think this will be very useful for you. If it is very useful, you can share your friends, and if you're not a subscriber of my channel, you can subscribe and give a bell icon if you like it. Suppose if you did not like, you can leave a comment. Based upon that I can modify it from the future videos.